I'm sorry. Shake.
Goody, goody,
No, 2 milkshakes.
But say, folks.
kitty, 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 kitty. Oswald! Hero! Honey!
Ooh-wee.
I kept playing music until the crowd got wise.
Incidentally, if you should run into a shower, just step inside my cabin door and meet the $1 million baby from the 5 and 10 cent store.
Hacha!
Say, how much do you charge to haunt a house?
How many rooms?
Incidentally, if you should run into a shower, just step inside my cottage door.
You take your $1 million baby from my 5 and 10 cent store.
She was his lovely little flower. It was the most convenient door. He bought a diamond for his baby in this classy jewelry store. So they continued for a moment. He saw a gown that she'd adore. Oh boy, did he doll up his honey from the 5 and 10 cent store. Then Dave begins, boys, some clothing he should buy. In spike-fitted clothings with such a higgle high. Oi, do they look snippy? And in the church around the corner, the preacher said, just step inside. I'll make your $1 million baby your bashful, blushing bride. Hear the church bells ringing, and all the world seems bright. Going to their love nest, where they'll be side by side. And they're so happy, if you should run into a shower, just step inside their cottage door.
And meet my $1 million baby. That's all there ain't no more.
Oh, yeah?
Let's go down to the wax works down on Avenue B. In the old waxworks are statues and stuff of heroes and villains who really are tough. The famous people are all there. What a wonderful sight. It's a treat, Holly G, so come on with me down to the waxworks tonight.
Baby, huh? I don't want a baby. What will people think when they know I'm a bachelor? I don't know anything about babies anyhow. Think I'm a sap, huh? Well, this kid goes right back where she came from.
I am the thinker.
What you thinking about?
I think it's time we had some fun, so wake ye statues, every one.
Tonight, Romeo. Not tonight, Josephine.
I'm the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Bluebeard is my buddy's name. There's Dracula and Frankenstein. Both are villains super fine. With the Mummy and Mr. Hyde, we will take you for a ride. I'm the Invisible Man. Try and find me if you can. Get him, boys! We're going to put you in the pot of boiling wax that's waxing hot. Wax. The baby's wax, and they're wax too. So now we'll put some wax on you. Give him the wax, the wax, the wax.
Do spring cleaning. The winter days are going. The trees in green are dressed. The buttercups are growing. And birdies build their nest. Couples start to talk of love and call each other turtle dove. Cupid gives them both a shout, and springtime does the rest. Hi-ho, whoa, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do.
Shadow, it means 6 more weeks of cold weather. Beware! Beware! more weeks of cold weather. Beware. Beware.
Uh-huh.
Ho, ho. You're just a silly so-so.
The weather's full of meaning. It's time to do spring cleaning.
Hi-ho.
Ho, hum.
It's time to stop your dreaming. It's time to do spring cleaning. With a brush, a little paint, a duster and a broom, you can easy renovate and drive away that winter gloom. Sweep up all your troubles, dust them in the air. Paint the bruise with brighter hues and brush away your cares. Hi-ho, ho-hum. Dusty, 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 dust. Phew. The weather's full of meaning. It's time to do spring cleaning.
Well, fan my brow.
Hi-ho, ho-hum. With a brush, a little paint, a duster and a broom, you can easy renovate and drive away that winter gloom. Sweep up all your troubles, dust them in the air. Ho-hum.
Beware. When I see my shadow, it means 6 more weeks of cold weather. Beware. Beware. nur so. What fools these people be?
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to present Oswald's Puppet Review. And now, pardon me, we have the rumba. You ain't seen nothing yet. Take it away, boys.
When he plays, how he sways, he brings back those happy days. That's him, that swinging Sam. Swing it low, swing it high, hear that southern hidey-high. That's him, that swinging Sam. Swing it, boy. Oh, what a thrill. You can't keep still when he begins to swing. Your heart's a-jumping and a-thumping puppet on a string. When he plays, how he sways, he brings back those happy days. That's him, that swinging Sam.
Yeah, man.
Now's our chance to leave this show.
come on, man. Come on, let's go.
We all can't run or dance or sing unless somebody pulls a string.
Is you a puppet or is you a man? Let's get going while we can.
Better not go, better not go. Don't forget I told you so. Puppets cannot do a thing unless somebody pulls a string.
Says you. Here I go.
You're not much account, you're headed for a fall. You're just a simple little puppet after all. You can't ever dance or sing until somebody pulls a string.
No one's allowed to come in here except a toy or dolly.
Well, I's a little colored doll, just a good time Charlie. Yeah, man. I always looking for a chance to show you folks how I can dance.
If what you say is really true, we'll put you in our doll review.
Yeah, man.
Puppet.
Puppet.
Better not go, better not go. Don't forget I told you so.
You can't do a thing until they pull a string. You're just a funny little wooden-headed thing. You think you are pretty good. Your head's made of wood. You're not much account. You're headed for a fall. You're just a simple little puppet after all. You can't ever dance or sing until somebody pulls a string.
You wooden-headed puppet boy, you're not a dolly or a toy, so now your goose is cooked for good. We'll saw you into blocks of wood.
Oh. You all gonna go too far. Oh, oh, it's
When he plays, how he sways, he brings back those happy days. That's him, that swinging Sam.
Yeah, man.